Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video we are learning how to check how much battery is left on your OnePlus Nord Buds 3R. Okay, you can see here this is my S25 Ultra and turning on my Bluetooth, then open my earbuds. You can see here there is green light and take out the earbuds. Then there is a notification says that 100% charge on my earbuds. Okay, and you can simply check this one, and this notification will be erased by 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, otherwise you can check uh, the battery percentage by using this Hey Melody application. This is one of the official application of OnePlus, and open that. Then you can see our buds is here. Just click net is not connected. You can click here to connecting, and after that this will be connected. Then you can see how much charge is left on your earbuds. Left 100%, right is 100%. Okay, and so that's guys, in this build method you can identify how much charge left on your OnePlus Nord Buds 3R. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorials, comment below. I will post my replies as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.